Welcome to BTech. Yesterday we had details about the fixes to the Galaxy Fold, and today we've got the first pictures of a refreshed design for the Huawei Mate X. As you know, both of these phones were supposed to be here already, but considering that these are first generation devices, there was bound to be some teething problems. First out was the Samsung Galaxy Fold, which famously kept breaking in the hands of reviewers, and so was quickly recalled by Samsung, and yesterday they gave details of the refit. And then just one day later, although we don't have details on the specs just yet, we do have some quite detailed images of the device itself. Visually there are a few notable changes, but before we get into it, let me say a big thank you to Direct Mobiles. 24 years of award-winning customer service and a great place to start your search for a new handset. Use their comparison tools to compare all of the available deals with all of the UK networks, all in one place. Check in the video description below for their link or search directmobiles.co.uk. It seems as well as structurally, visually we have a bit of a refresh too. The time of flight sensor, which was rumoured to come with the Mate X but was nowhere to be seen on the sample hands-on units, seems like it definitely will make it into the final design, which makes perfect sense. Considering how well it works on a P30 Pro, you would expect it to be in a £2,000 Huawei phone. On the camera module, the Huawei logo has been moved down to the bottom, and the button to release the screen is bigger and seems more ergonomic. It's also colour matched instead of the silver material used on the old one. The finish on the grip and the spine seems to be a bit different. Kind of looks like it's been reinforced. At first glance it looks like some kind of carbon fibre composite material, but I don't think it is. If you look carefully, it seems just to be very shiny and it's reflecting its environment. The old model had a portion on it with a carbon fibre look and the words advanced composite material, so we know that it's made out of some kind of composite, but it definitely has a shiny finish and it does seem to be some kind of extra layer of protection. If you look very carefully, the dragon hinge is still exposed slightly at the top and the bottom. Hopefully this won't be a problem. If this is the final design of the Mate X, I would expect that Huawei have tested it extensively and it should be fine. Huawei's Mate X is scheduled for release in September. The issues that Samsung had with the Fold definitely got Huawei worried. And with everything that they're going through at the moment, with the blacklisting from the American government, the last thing that they need is a failed launch of the device, especially one where such a huge investment has gone into its development. The £2,000 price tag does reflect the amount of effort that's gone into producing this phone, so you can't really blame them for being cautious after seeing what happened to Samsung. I for one can't wait to see how the public receives these handsets. Will it catch on or will it just be a flash in the pan? And then there's the big question, which operating system will this phone have? According to Huawei, Hongmeng or ArcOS is not intended for smartphones. But we get conflicting reports from them. We first heard about this software last year when they said that they had been working on this program specifically as a backup in case they were ever prevented from using Android. And that's pretty much been their position until very recently. So it is a little bit murky at the moment. So stay tuned to BTech as all will be revealed very soon when I get my hands on one. Seems like things are looking up for Huawei. The Mate 20X is available from today in the UK, finally, after it had been dropped from EE and Vodafone's 5G lineup. But from today it will be available from 3 and from Sky Mobile, who unlike EE and Vodafone are willing to take the risk with the device. The Mate 20X is one of my favourite Huawei phones ever. If you don't mind a huge device because it is massive, then you'll absolutely love this phone. Great battery life, great screen, great performance, great sound. Give it 5G and it's going to be a stunning handset. So I'm really glad that it's finally made it to the UK. But anyway, that's it from me. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe, double tap notifications and smash the like button for me. Lots more news, reviews and comparisons on the way. Also, you can follow me on social media, it's at BTech, or on Snapchat, it's david.btech. Thanks for watching, my name's David, this is BTech.